Hi everyone, I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. Well, it's 8:30 and it's been another warm day today. We were in the 70s yesterday. We were warmer today, right on schedule. We hit 78. The morning low was 55. The normal high is 61. The record high is 88. So we were 10 away from a record high. We weren't close, but you know, I guess maybe a little in the ballpark. But 1959, that was the record high set on this date. The morning low of 55, that's well above the normal low of 41 degrees, and the record low 11 above. Set back in 1910. Now, no rain today. We had some clouds around this morning, but then the sun came out, kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine this afternoon, and I have the same exact thing in my forecast tomorrow. But for the month, we picked up 1.31 inches of rain, and that all happened on Saturday. That puts us below normal for the month by about 1/4 of an inch. For the year, 2.24. That is below normal for the year by 1.84. So the last time, you know, we had that rain, that 1.33 inches on Saturday. The last time we had rain was almost 3 months ago. It was November 24th. That was the Monday before Thanksgiving. So, and I don't have any, other than a sprinkle, maybe on Friday. And technically, I have a 10% chance of that sprinkle in my forecast on Friday, but the reality is it's maybe 1%. But other than that, as of this moment, okay, that's the only rain I have in my forecast over the next 14 days. So we need some rain. You know, we went almost 3 months without, you know, anything other than a trace or a tenth here or there. So there you go. Mountain cedar today, that's high. That'll continue to stay high for the next several weeks. Elm is moderate, and fungus today, that's on the low side. So right now, there's that mix of clouds and clear skies out there at this point. So we'll call it partly cloudy. That's the way it's shaping up at this moment, and that's the way it'll be for the remainder of tonight. High temperatures tomorrow, the normal high is 62. We will be warmer than that. So we're looking tomorrow at high temperature that's going to be in the upper 70s. So, you know, maybe 15. I don't know that we'll make it 20 degrees warmer than normal, but about 15 degrees or so warmer than normal. We won't make it up to the record high. That's 85, set back in 1986. Dallas hits 78, 77 at Fort Worth, 79 in Mineral Wells, 77 in Decatur, the same thing in Bowie, 76 in Gainesville and in Sherman, also in McKinney, 78 in Denton, 75s in Bonham and Paris. Athens hits 79, 81 in Corsicana, 79 in Breckenridge, 80 out in Albany, and 78 in Abilene. Ballinger hits 80 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow. Now, as we head through the day tomorrow, the low humidity, the warmer than normal temperatures, the dry conditions that are in the forecast tomorrow, that does bring with it an elevated fire danger. So it's not just on Wednesday we have that elevated fire danger, but it starts to slide off to the east as we move through the day on Thursday. And it's the same thing. It's the low humidity and the much, much warmer than normal temperatures. We do cool down as we head through this upcoming weekend because of a couple of cold fronts, but between now and the weekend, please keep the fire starts down because we do have some dormant vegetation, even with the rain that we've had around, especially to the west of Fort Worth, but certainly keep an eye on that. Now, we start tomorrow with some cloud cover, and then the sun comes out in the afternoon, so morning clouds, some afternoon sun. It won't be a completely sunny day by any stretch of the imagination. And don't think when you see the cloud cover around tomorrow morning that we're going to have rain. Unfortunately, I have no rain in my forecast. As we head through Wednesday night, and this is after midnight towards sunrise on Thursday, here comes a cold front. This is cold front number 1. This is Thursday at 7 p.m. That cold front's on top of us around midnight Thursday night, technically Friday morning. As it shifts to the south during the day on Friday, there's 7 in the morning Friday, and we also start with some cloud cover on Friday morning as well. And maybe a sprinkle. You can see most of us, we have some clouds around on Friday, maybe a sprinkle, but other than that, that's the only rain that I have in the forecast. But behind a second cold front, it will be cooler for the weekend. You'll see that in just a moment. For the rest of tonight, partly cloudy, dry, cool, light winds, 56 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, remember, clouds in the morning, then some sunshine in the afternoon. A dry day, a warmer day than today. Today we hit 78. Tomorrow's high 79 with light winds. The next 14 days, behind the first cold front that moves through before sunrise on Thursday, late Thursday night, before sunrise on Friday. It's really late Thursday night. Friday's cooler with a high of 64. Then a Friday night cold front, one that will move through before sunrise on Saturday. That allows us to be even cooler Saturday than Friday. and then we'll have another little surge of some cooler air on Sunday and Monday. So Saturday's high with sunshine 61. Sunday we hit 58, Monday 57, and Tuesday 65. The final 7 of the 14 days, we jump right back up into the upper 70s the middle of next week on Wednesday and Thursday. And then we cool down a tad Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I mean, nearly perfect weather. The end of next week, high temps Friday, Saturday, Sunday, low 70s. And then we jump back up into the mid 70s as we head through the first, that Monday, March 2nd, the first and second and third day of the month of March. So other than that sprinkle on Friday, which again, Friday, 99% of us will be dry. That's the only rain over the next 14 days. Enjoy the rest of your evening and keep it here on WFAA Plus for the latest.